What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I think when we think about Terra Luna Classic, a lot of people want to know if we're going to get to a dollar, if we're going to get to 10 cents, if we're going to get to a penny. And I think those questions are asked probably more frequently than everything. But whenever I've answered this question, I've always tried to baby step my way into seeing where we can actually go. Because, yes, I do believe we can get to these levels depending on a ton of variables. But as we see, the variables just don't really go our way, right? So when we look at entire situations like this, whether we're talking about SHIB or we're talking about Lunic or we're talking about all of these, I think we have to baby step our way into it and kind of settle on when we're going to, drop zeros and not necessarily say when we're going to ultimately get to this magical number of a dollar that may be 3 or 4 zeros away, right? So I wanted to talk about dropping a zero because 1 0 is the goal, the short-term goal. Then you have that long-term goal where we're looking to obviously get to a dollar, all-time highs, even higher figures than that. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow my Patreon, those links are down in the description as well. Sorry, my voice seems to be going back. It seems to be reverting back to what it was, and I don't know why. So, like, literally, I was waiting like an hour for my voice to clear up, coughing to really stop, and I just don't know why it's kind of going backwards. It's beyond me. I don't know. But anyways, let's talk about Terra Luna Classic because getting to this level is the first step before we see it get to some of these more aggressive levels, like getting Terra Luna Classic to a dollar. So let's go in to see where Terra Luna Classic is, and let's talk about what it will take to get this to this level, and when do I really expect it to get to this level. So if we look at Terra Luna Classic, it's currently at 0.0001816. It's down 9% over the last 24 hours. We're seeing volume at $160 million, $160.8 million, down 37%. We see the market cap that is at a $1.1 billion market cap. So it's not saying that it's at a super low market cap. It's lower compared to where it was at some of these higher points. But we're definitely seeing a market cap that we can maintain throughout this maybe decreased supply as the supply does decrease, when we see more burns that are going through, all of that stuff. So when I look at this overall situation and look at the price points, I understand the way that we got to these levels. We understand that certain variables fell through. The 1.2% didn't really go our way, right? We expected a lot more volume. I don't really think they gave it enough time, but we didn't see enough volume from the start. And then we decided to go back on what we said would work. Instead of 1.2%, now 0.2%. This 0.2% didn't increase the volume. Yes, we see glimpses to where we increase the volume based on, a push in the market, or based on some news with FTX and people wanting to move their money to a wallet that may be on chain rather than being off chain. But the variables that we see that we thought would go our way, didn't. They didn't go our way. We didn't see the increased volume. We didn't see the burns. We saw some burns, but not to the level that we want. So we need to find a way to get us to that level. Now there's sort of a divide between different community members, leaders in the community. There seems to be less rewards that people are getting from staking, maybe a little bit less popularity, just less movement. However, we are holding strong, unlike other cryptocurrencies that are out here. So again, I apologize for my voice. It's just, it feels so weird without having a voice at all. So anyways, let's get to the ultimate question. When are we going to drop another zero? And some people have predicted that we would see a major push at the end of this year. I don't think we're going to see like a crazy push at the end of this year to where we're going to drop a zero. Dropping a zero requires a 6 or 6.5 to $7 billion market cap, which I think is possible. I think it's definitely possible with the popularity, the amount of people that believe in this project, the amount of utility that's supposed to be coming on as well, new utility, old utility, all of that stuff. So it's definitely possible to see a push by the end of this year. However, I don't believe that that's the case. I believe next year will be, kind of this new, we will have new life, new people that are looking to invest into the crypto market, and they're going to see Terra Luna Classic as a very popular position. You're going to look at a position like this and you're going to say, all right, $1 billion market cap, millions of people that are following it, constantly trending, utility, new projects that are being built, other projects that are being built to support Terra Luna Classic, whether it's Lunatics token or Wrap Lunatics or anything like that. So we understand that there's going to be this new New Year's resolution where people are looking to invest in cryptocurrency. So I think that will be an instance to where we see cryptocurrency thrive a little bit, especially since we've seen it at these lows for a long, long time. So during the new year, I don't know if it's going to be first quarter, second quarter. I don't really know how these variables of inflation, CPI data that comes out, maybe other exchanges, this whole bankruptcy situation lasts longer than we think or we anticipated. There's just so many variables that can kind of hurt where we see it burning or dropping another zero. But I do think that we're going to see it drop another zero in the next major bull run. Who knows exactly when that bull run will be, but I'm hoping to see something very positive by, at least like establish something by late first quarter, second quarter to see something happen. We've been waiting way too long within this market. And that's when I expect to see, it drop a zero. Now, when it comes to the burning, I think we need more methods to burn, because currently we have the 0.2%. We have Binance's burn that's not really burning a lot. We have other projects that may be burning. We have Lunatics token that's burning as well. We have a lot of other places that are burning smaller amounts, but we need to be able to burn larger amounts to see it get back to normal. And the one thing we really don't have on our side is time. When it comes to popularity, things don't stay popular for long unless they're constantly moving. And even if they still don't remain with the same amount of popularity. So that's when I think it's going to happen. We're going to drop a zero. And when we drop a zero, hopefully people will be ready to accept a little bit of profit. I'm not saying that you need to accept all your profit, but just accept a little bit so that you're happy with the movement that you have and you can put it in other places, other investments that you believe in. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Again, I apologize for my voice. If you guys want to follow me on Patreon and Twitter and all that, definitely do so. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.